Dear Lucille and Joe, good morning here in Israel. I'm very pleased to take this opportunity to send you a warm greeting from Oranim and to tell you in short about the excitement that your donation caused in Oranim. But in the first place, I want to apologize. You know that I am not Walter Cronkite, who had just passed away, and neither do I Joe Leno, but I am sure that you will be able to understand in my English what I am trying to convey. In the first place, I want to assure you that I still remember, and it is a warm and touching event, our visiting in your home in Chicago after you phoned and declared about the donation, which lastly caused the establishment and the building of the Klein laboratory of molecular biology. It took us 2 years because you know, and Paula wrote you along the way about the heavy bureaucracy in Israel. But we overcome even the tough bureaucracy, and now we have a working laboratories which give service in research and in teaching for students in various degrees and for gifted kids and students from school surrounding Oranim. It is hard to explain because you are remote from Oranim. I know your heart is here in Oranim, but if you could come and see what is going in the surrounding area of the laboratories, I'm sure you would understand what I'm trying to say, that this starting point, which you pushed us and gave a donation called chain effect in Oranim, and we are now trying to leverage this event, and we are calling other donors to participate and allow us to leverage this initiative. I don't know how much you are involved in the biology studies in the academic level, but in the recent years there is a tendency to leave the field, to leave the plants, to leave the animals, and being concentrate only in labs and in the theoretical side of biology. And what Joshua Margolin taught us 60 and 70 years ago was that sometimes the opposite way is the one that brings direct connection to biology, love to this subject, and is the most effective way to teach young students in school, namely the direct connection, being in the field, smelling the flower. And you know what I'm talking about, playing with a strange lizard he brought with his case from Israel when he visited you in 1938, I think. So I really want to say thank you a lot. I do hope to see you here. I'm afraid that I will not be able to visit in Chicago very soon to give you this certificate of honor, but Yoram Yerushalmi will give it to you, and what is written here in short is Certificate of Honor to Lucille and Joe Klein for generosity to Oranim College. And be assured that we will always remember your donation and of course your uncle Joshua Margolin, the founder of biology studies in Israel. All the well, love you, Yair Caro and the staff of Oranim.